Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Mariam here. Today we are making jollof rice, Ghana Jojo. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So lovelies, without wasting much time, let's get started. I'll be using chicken as my protein. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? If you don't like chicken, there's no need for you to use chicken. You can use other meat too as well, and you can use as plenty meat as you want, but for me, I don't like cooking with too much meat. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take the skin of this one because I am the one going to enjoy that one, and I don't like the skin. So I then make some lines on it, just like this. Alright there, so let's begin to marinate our chicken, and I'm going by the heating process. So I got my pan on fire, I add the chicken to it, add my onion paste, I add my ginger paste, anise seed powder, I add some salt. So I then mix everything together. Remember that you can marinate your meat or your chicken without bringing it to heat, okay? But if you don't have time, then this is the best option, to use the heating method. So I then add my curry powder to it, mix everything again. I'm not going to cook it completely. At the end, we are going to fry it anyway, so I'm just steaming it. So I then cover it and allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. Alright there, it's ready now, so we can go ahead and fry our chicken. It's golden brown now, so let's take it out. This is what I'm going to use to make my tomato sauce. So I have my tomatoes here, onions, bell pepper, and also pepper. So basically this is what I use to make my tomato sauce. So I then transfer all into my saucepan. Add water to it, not too much, okay? So I then turn on my heat, and I'm going to cook this on medium heat. And then cover it till the vegetables become very tender. Alright there, it's ready, and we are going to blend it. Remember, don't add water to it, okay? I'm going to blend this. I will be back, okay? Wait for me. And I'm back with it. Our tomato sauce is ready. You can also use the smoking method, okay, whereby you put your veggies in the oven, then you take it out and blend. We all arrive here, okay? Any way or any method you choose to. At the end, the tomato sauce is going to be ready for you. So this is the oil I use to fry my chicken. I'm going to use the same oil to make my stew, okay? So I add onions to it and then give it a stir. Allow the onions to infuse its flavor in the oil. Already the oil smells so good, so I then add my tomato puree to it. Stir everything together. Alright, I'm going to cover it to prevent the stew from splashing on my camera, okay? So I add tomato paste, just a little. This one is a store one. I actually bought it, okay? And stir everything together. Before you add your salt or any additional spices, please add the chicken stock first, okay? So this is my chicken stock. There's ginger, onions, anise seed, and curry powder. So I'm not going to add these spices again to my stew. Alright, but you can decide to add it. So let's allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. So I then add my all-purpose seasoning powder. I add my salt, taste your stew before you add the salt. Okay, I have tasted mine and then added the salt, so I hope you do the same thing. So I then add my bay leaves to it, give it another stir, and allow it to simmer for about a minute. Now our stew is ready, so I'm going to add my washed rice, depending on the type of rice that you are using, but I always prefer to wash my rice. So I'm going to stir this continuously till the rice absorbed all the stew, okay? And I'm doing this on low to medium to low heat. So yeah, we are there, as you can see. So I then rinse my blender with cold water, add it to it, top it with a little bit of water. Remember that you can also use boiled water as well, and then stir everything together. I'm going to cook on low heat. We don't cook rice on medium or high heat, we cook rice on low heat. That is the best thing, okay? So I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook. Let's check. Let's give it a quick stir. It's still moist, okay? And the rice is a little bit hard. So still on low heat, I'm going to cover it with my foil. It's 15 minutes now. Let's check again. Wow, it smells so good, and our Ghana jollof is ready. Yeah, it's well cooked. So let's give it another stir and make sure that your jollof is uniform. If you cook jollof rice and you get multiple colors, no, that is totally wrong, and there's going to be a question mark, and we don't need that question mark. It has to be uniform, okay? So that is why it's very important to stir your rice to make sure that you get a uniform color. So I have a secret when I'm making jollof rice. I have my own secret. I add green pepper to my jollof after the jollof is well cooked. So this is my green pepper. I added to it, and this is totally optional. You can add carrots or any veggies of your choice, or you can even omit it. It's not part of the deal, but I personally love it. It takes the jollof flavor to another level, and it smells so good. I love it, and I hope you also like it. So my simple jollof rice is ready, Ghana jollof, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please remember to give the recipe a try, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and also share this video for me. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Bye.